Hi everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another lesson in our ongoing French course. This lesson is very simple. It's a very straightforward, simple verb, the verb marcher, which means to walk. It's a regular ER verb, so you know these ER verb endings already. Once you have those memorized, then you can easily conjugate the verb, remove the ER from the infinitive there. You're left with the root, or it's also referred to as the stem, root or stem, same thing. And when you want to conjugate it, you just start with your root and add the stem. Je marche, I walk. Remember, this can also mean I do walk or I am walking, just depending on the context. Tu, add your ending, marche. Tu marches, you walk, you do walk, you are walking. Il, elle, or on share the same form. Start with the stem and then add the ending. So we have il marche, he walks, elle marche, on marche, one walks. Nous, start with the stem, add the ending, nous marchons, we walk, we do walk, we are walking. Vous, start with the stem, add your ending, marchez, vous marchez, you walk, you do walk, you are walking. And then finally, il and elle, start with the stem, add the ending, marche, il marche, elle marche. They walk, they do walk, they are walking. Now the fun part, now that you know how to conjugate the verb, let's put it into context. Let's make some sentences. We just need to add a little bit of vocabulary to make a complete sentence. So we have, first of all on the list, we have vite, vite, which means fast or in a hurry, quickly. Vite, lentement, slowly, vers le supermarché, towards the supermarket. So you can say you're walking towards and then add any place here. So our first sentence would be, I walk fast or I walk quickly. Je marche vite. Je marche vite. I walk fast, I walk quickly. I do walk fast, I do walk quickly. I am walking fast, I am walking quickly. Take your pick. The next one, lentement. Je marche lentement. I walk slowly. I do walk slowly. I am walking slowly. Vers le supermarché, towards the supermarket. So I walk or I am walking towards the supermarket. Je marche vers le supermarché. Let's try a different subject pronoun, different verb form. Tu marches, you walk, you do walk, you are walking. So if you want to make the statement, you walk fast, you walk quickly, you walk rapidly, tu marches vite, tu marches vite. You walk slowly, tu marches lentement. You walk or you are walking towards the supermarket. Tu marches vers le supermarché. And let's change the subject again. Il marche. He walks or he is walking. He does walk. Il marche. He walks fast. He is walking fast. Il marche vite. Il marche vite. He walks slowly. He is walking slowly. Il marche lentement. Il marche lentement. He walks towards the supermarket or he is walking towards the supermarket. Il marche vers le supermarché. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to add the quiz on to the end of this lesson. So are you ready? Did you get all of that? Let's try this first one. How would you say in French, I'm walking fast? I'm walking fast. Start with the I'm walking part. Je marche. And of course, fast is vite. All right. Next one. He's walking slowly. He's walking slowly. Il marche. And slowly, lentement, lentement. Some native speakers shorten the pronunciation to lentement, so you can hear it either way. Okay, here's our last one. We're walking towards the supermarket. Remember, the goal is to see that and be able to say the French just like that without having to think about it. When you can do that, then you've really learned it. Okay, so we're walking, nous marchons, towards ver, and then the supermarket, le supermarché. And there you have it. So that's it for this lesson and quiz. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to another video, another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. A bientôt.